with its blazing performance and power efficiency. Here we have the Apple MacBook Air M2. To unbox it, in this one we have the Starlight. This machine is crazy fast. As advertised by Apple, it is one of the fastest chips they have ever made, and in the year when they produced it, it was standing out as the most powerful, fast and power efficiency laptop. Inside the box is the cable. What I like about it is it matches mostly the color of the laptop. This comes in both the 13-inch model and the 15-inch model, and there's a more reason why you would like to choose any of the inches you would like to choose. A laptop that is supercharged with M2 chip and delivers blasting fast performance in an unportable design. And this design is also unique, made by Apple. You will not find such things anywhere from any other company. So the screen size you will choose depends on what you would like to use your laptop for. Understand? And then it has up to 18 hours battery, and it's 12 times faster than the Intel-based laptops. All your go-to apps fly simply and performs better on the MacBook. The display here is 500 nits of brightness. You have the P3 white color and then True Tone technology. So the liquid Retina display on this MacBook Air is a sight to behold because it supports up to 1 billion colors and up to 2 times the resolution of a comparable PC. You will see things clearer than you see it on a normal PC. The M2 has up to 8-core CPU and then 10-core GPU and then up to 24 gigabyte unified memory and up to about 2 terabyte storage and then 18 hours battery life. And then also here we have the MagSafe charger, 2 Thunderbolt, and on the other side we have the headphone jack where you can be able to plug in your device to listen to your audio. And then the laptop is actually power packed with a media engine that is able to process ProRAW video decode engine and everything. And this is the 8GB version with 256 GB of hard drive. So in the 13 inches, the resolution to be 2560. We have the height of about 1.13 centimeters. Webcam is a 1080p for FaceTime. And then I brought in this midnight colored one to show you. Also they have this color. So actually they made 4 different types of colors, so you can choose any of them you want. So from there we have the keyboard is actually nice. It's a very nice keyboard. You will love to use a backlight magic keyboard. And then the speed of the keyboard and the height is the speed is amazing, and with an ambient light sensor. And then you have the trackpad, a nice trackpad. That's the screen there. I love this because it has Wi-Fi 6, also Bluetooth 5.3, and then you can also set up your Apple Pay. Let us listen to the insane spatial audio it provides.
Introducing Apple Vision Pro. The era of spatial computing is here. When you put on Apple Vision Pro, you see
Yo guys, with this I think I'm getting one ASAP.